So by the way, if I am like I'm like fresh out of college, or like I've just recently or I'm just thinking of some new business. So what is the minimum investment it would take for me to start a soap manufacturing business? Like I want to set up a small thing, smallest soap manufacturing line. So what would be the investment?
There are particularly
Kinds of soaps in category.
Yeah, there are 3 to 4 segments of business startups. Okay? First is bathing soap, technical name toilet soaps. Second is detergent powder. Third is detergent cake, Vim bar. Okay, so basically, if you want to go for a startup, what I suggest to the customers is go for a less certification business. Okay, means the quality certificate has to be less.
Compliance has to be less.
Compliances has to be less.
Shouldn't have a lot of load in terms of everything.
Because when they go for, means now it has been very quick. Everything is become online now. Now it's very easy to start a business.
And get certification.
Also. But the thing is, like in bath soap, you need to have that compliance of FSSI, Food and Drug Certificate. You need, because it is related to the skin. Okay, so you have to get that certificate. So I usually tell my customers that go for detergent powder, detergent cake. If you are going to start a business, I always suggest go for detergent cake and powder initially, because the raw materials are same. If you check the prices, means I make machines from 25 kg per batch, means per batch is of 30 minutes. Okay, mixing time is 30 minutes. From 25 kg to 500 kg and 1 ton also we make per batch. Initially you can start with 25 kg, 50 kg, 100 kg.
That's per hour.
Per half an hour.
Per half an hour. So it's 50. So you can make 50 kilos worth of product in 1 hour.
Yes.
Depending on the number of hours.
And depending on the formulation also. If the formulation is more complicated, then you need more time to mix it. Okay. So in that way only, 30 minutes is a standard time. Basic formulations takes only around 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Detergent powder machineries are made of complete stainless steel contact parts. Detergent cake is okay, you can go for mild steel also. It's iron. Okay, and that's the 25 kg machines for detergent cake will cost you around 1,40,000-1,50,000 only machines. Okay, and detergent powder, it will cost you around 1,75,000-80,000, depends on the the raw material fluctuations. Okay, so that is the startup things. And the thing is, in this starting the business, you have to only go for Udyogadar. Based on Udyogadar, you can open a bank account.
So Udyogadar is the certificate given by the government.
By the government of India, and it's online. 5 minutes. It takes only 5 minutes to register. Udyogadar. Then second, go for GST. It's mandatory because you have to buy materials, and all the raw materials are charged with GST. So you have to do all the settling works by paying taxes and all the things. GST. Excuse me. Then you have to go for bank current account. These 3 things are only required. And 25 kg machines you can also operate in a household electricity in single phase connections.
And for this detergent powder and cake, you said, so it's just this 2 lakh is just a single machine, or you need multiple machines?
It is a multiple machines. Like in detergent cake, you need a Sigma mixer or a hammer mixer.
So you need a mixer.
Hammer mixer is quite economical than a Sigma mixer, because Sigma mixer is heavy and blending is good in that. Okay, but depends on the budget. Both are good, both are viable. Okay, so mixer machine, you need a plotter machine, an extruder machine. After mixing of the materials in the mixer, you have to put it inside the plotter. And the plotter extrudes as per the design of the die. And in front you can have we can, if you want a branding also, if your brand is registered, then we can put a roller printer which prints the soap. So that is a very normal and easy to operate machine.
So the line is so the line for the the detergent cake is, the first one is the mixing machine.
Yes.
Right. So once it mixes, then you have the extrusion machine, right?
Yes.
So after the mixing, it just extrudes out as per the die, the second one. And the third one is the branding machine. Example. So it brands it on this
small tool.
So these 3 machines, what would it cost for me in terms of an average cost for these 3? 150. So in 1.5 lakh rupees, I can start this business at home for a detergent perspective, and it's a decent setup for a 25 kg in 30 minutes time perspective.
Exactly.
Okay, got it.
And raw materials, you can get it in the market, means it's around 50,000, 1 lakh rupees also raw materials is worth, means for startup. And initially you're not going to directly boost the productions. So you buy as per your requirement. You have to ask the supplier to ask for the minimum order quantity, where discounts are available. Because this all products is a commodity item, raw materials. So discounts is means at some level of quantity they provide discounts. Okay. So in that way you have to communicate, and you get discounts. 50,000, 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees raw material, you buy it. Okay. And then you start it. Around 3 to 4 lakh rupees you can start your detergent cake and powder business. Okay. Because both material means only
raw material is the same.
Few materials changes in powder and few material changes in detergent cake. Raw materials are almost same. In detergent cake you can make detergent cake also, washing soap also you can make, dishwash bar, a round bar also you can make.
Okay. So that's a die part. Exactly. You have to just change from the square to circular. Okay. So you spoke for a detergent bar around 4 lakh rupees, you can have this whole line of all these 3-4 parts, process parts, and then you can start it. And the same amount of money you can have the the powder also, detergent powder also business start, right? And these both business have less compliance because it does. But even the detergent powder or the soap touches the hand, right? So in terms of, so it doesn't need FSSAI?
No,
it doesn't need
it.
Okay, so certification wise it's easier to do the detergent and the detergent soap and the detergent powder. And what about the normal soap or the toilet soap that we want to make? What is the investment in that?
In that we make smallest plant 10 kg per batch.
Okay.
A small plant, pilot soap plant, means usually we give to the perfume manufacturers to try their perfumes. Okay. And now we have even open it for the customers who want to start up the business in-house.
Okay.
Like when females are more into this now.
In the beauty and the cosmetic industry.
In the beauty and cosmetic, they are more into it. So we get more inquiries from female entrepreneurs.
They want to explore, they want to try.
Exactly. They want to try. Okay. And they are into this, soaps and cosmetics more. And they are very much, more health conscious and skin conscious. They are more.
And taking more care also. Everything.
Yes. So